In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI videos right inside Claude Code without ever leaving the interface. Now, what you're seeing here is just a 10-second AI video of a drone shot in New York City, and this is using the Seedance 2.0 model. But what I'm going to show you is how you can actually sync up any AI video model that you want and use it within Claude Code. So make sure you stick around for the full video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I'm a six-figure AI entrepreneur, and I've been in the marketing industry for over 10 years now. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, automations, and even my Claude Code skills, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the video description or pinned comment below. So in order to generate AI videos inside Claude Code, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite AI platforms, which is called OpenRouter. This is completely free to use and sign up. You can think of OpenRouter as kind of a middleman solution for housing all of your different API keys from just one platform. And OpenRouter just had a pretty big update recently where you can now generate AI videos. So they've pulled in AI video models where originally they just had image models and text models and some other things here. But whether it's Google VO 3.1, we have Kling models, ByteDance, Seedance 2.0. I think that's the latest and greatest right now, as far as I understand. You have some Alibaba models. We have Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, and any other new AI video models that come into the scene. You can expect OpenRouter to pick that up, and then we can start to use these models right inside Claude Code from just one API key. And so in order to set this all up, you first need to sign up for a free OpenRouter account. I'll leave that link in the video description below. Once you've signed up for a free account, I'd recommend adding some credits here. Now, it's very important because we're using AI video. It's going to be much more expensive than just a generic AI text model, that you add at least probably $5, $10, $15 worth of credits into here just to get this tested out. And once you add some credits, we then need to create an API key. So click API keys. You'll notice I have one right here. I recently switched it out for a brand new one. I often switch out my API keys. It's just kind of a security best practice, but you won't have any here, obviously, if it's your first time. So you'd click create, and then you would name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name this CC for Claude Code. Test key, click create, and then you would simply copy this new API key. You would open up Claude Code, and then what you would do here is what I would recommend. You create an apis.env file. I'm not going to open mine up because it has the API keys right there, but you would want to create a apis.env file, paste that new OpenRouter API key right there, and now it's available right inside Claude Code where we can call it from. So I'm going to show you exactly how we can use this in the next step. So now that I have my OpenRouter API key synced with my Claude Code setup, I'm going to open up a new chat and let's actually test this out and try to generate a video here. So I actually had a prompt ready to go and I said, use my short video creator skill. So I did create a skill, which you can find in my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. Again, that's in the description or pinned comment below. And all I said was, find something that's trending on TikTok right now and make a 10-second AI video on this trend. Give me 5 ideas and I'll confirm first. Don't use text, ensure it's realistic, and then also use Seedance 2.0, and I gave it the OpenRouter Seedance 2.0 page just so it can double check and confirm that that's the model that I want it to use. Use my OpenRouter API key in the apis.env file. I'm going to go ahead and click go here just to see what it says. And so just for a disclaimer, that's kind of a limitation right now, is that the longer your AI video is, not only is it going to be way more expensive, but the quality element typically diminishes with AI video models right now after that 10-15 second mark, just from what I'm seeing. The reason why I'm showing you this video, if I'm being honest, as these AI video models continue to evolve, and they will get better and better, and they'll also get more affordable over time. We're building a system here, right? And so once we have a system built in to Claude Code, we can then sync it with OpenRouter, pull in any AI video model that we want, and then boom, we can now generate it right inside this interface. So in this example, it gave me 5 AI video ideas. I don't even know what that is, right? I'm not on TikTok, but I told it to find some trends here. Fruit Love Island, Silent Dubai, color hunting. Let's do number 2, Fruit Love Island. Let's just do that. Let's do Fruit Love Island. All right, and let's just see what it comes up with here. So I'm going to click go, and then I'm going to skip ahead and see what this comes up with. All right, so after a few minutes, you'll see my AI short form video has been generated, and it did cost $1.51, 10 seconds, gave me the dimensions, aspect ratio, silent, no text. So I wanted to add music to this, but unfortunately it couldn't do that, so this isn't going to gain traction on social media by any means. But let's actually take a look at what this produced here. So if I click this, this is the 10-second video produced by Seedance 2.0. Now, in terms of realism and actual video quality, that is not bad at all. Would this pop on social media? Absolutely not, right? With no music, no captions, and all the other things that go into a viral or trending social media post, this would not do well, right? But it comes back to what I said earlier about the systems. That is the important takeaway here. As these AI video models keep getting better, and they will, I think that's the final frontier that we haven't figured out. We figured out text, we figured out images, we figured out coding for the most part, and I think video is that last frontier. So as these models get better, and they will get cheaper as well over time, having a system like this with Claude Code synced up with OpenRouter so you can use any AI video model that you want and have it generated right inside this interface, which if you think about this too, I could connect Blatato via MCP and then post it directly to all my social media accounts, again, right inside the Claude Code interface. If you don't know what I just said, I'll leave my Blatato social media tutorial in the video description below, as really the opportunities within Claude Code are endless since we can connect it with any tool here. But I hope you guys are starting to see the idea of what I'm creating. I do think this New York drone shot is more useful and realistic right now than what I was just showing you with that Fruit Love Island example. But that's just like a quick little demo that I wanted to show you of how you can generate AI videos in Claude Code. And so if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Again, the purpose of me creating this was to show you a system as AI video continues to improve. I'm not going to show you some clickbait, garbage, AI faceless video factory like all the other hype grifters on YouTube are showing you, which is a bunch of garbage in my opinion, right? But if you found this type of video valuable, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join my free AI community with a ton of great resources and discussion in here, I'll leave that link in the video description below as well. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.